Excitedly. Greetings, creative souls. Today we're going to delve into the enchanting world of vintage macrame wall hangings. This craft is perfect if you're looking to add a touch of bohemian charm to your living space. I'll be your crafting guide for today. Showcasing materials. To kick things off, make sure you have the necessary materials at hand. These include a natural cord, a wooden dowel or branch, a pair of scissors, and a comb. Remember, you can choose a cord color that perfectly complements your aesthetic. Scene script. Demonstrating. Begin by cutting your cords into equal lengths. The total number of cords you need depends on the width of the wall hanging you envision. For this specific project, I'm using 12 cords, each approximately 5 feet long. Attaching cords. Now take each cord, fold it in half, and loop it over your wooden dowel. Pull the ends of the cord through the loop, forming a secure knot. Repeat this with all your cords, ensuring there's a small gap between each knot. Tying knots. Now we'll create our first knot. Choose 4 cords from the center and tie a basic square knot. Cross the left cord over the right, tuck it underneath, and pull it through the hole. Then do the opposite, right over left, tuck it beneath and pull it through. Twisting. Here's a little trick to add some vintage charm. Twist the 2 outer cords before tying another square knot. Keep repeating this pattern with each group of 4 cords until you reach your desired length. Scene script. Trimming. Now, to create that classic macrame fringe, trim the ends of your cords at an angle. Feel free to adjust the length as per your preference. Combing. Lastly, comb through your wall hanging to straighten out any tangles and achieve a clean, polished look. Smiling. And there you have it. You've just crafted a beautiful vintage-style macrame wall hanging. All that's left is to find the perfect spot to hang it, step back, and admire your handcrafted masterpiece. Waving. And that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed crafting this charming wall decor as much as I did. Remember, there are no boundaries when it comes to creativity, so feel free to experiment with different colors and patterns. Until our next crafting adventure, keep those creative juices flowing and never stop smiling. Bye for now.